All right, today we're going to look at one simple skill in Microsoft Excel that we can be able to utilize when we are doing our editing and when we are working on some sheets, the different type of data that you are working on. So today we are going to focus on how to convert data in Microsoft in my in Microsoft Excel from lowercase to uppercase. It's something difficult for someone to do some conversion like the way it is in Microsoft Word. So I have this list where I've copied some data. There's this data that I've copied. Yeah, then I just pasted the data here. Okay, and I want to change these names to uppercase. The skill is very simple. So you are going just to use what we call the upper function. So this upper function converts the selected cells into uppercase. So we go it like this: upper, open bracket, then you put all the text. So since our text is in these cells, we just mark the cells, the highlighting, we close, and boom, all the names have been converted from lowercase to uppercase. So this is how it is done. Then here I'll just be able to copy and go paste somewhere here. That's all when I start editing. Thank you for your time. God bless you. See you next time.